Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a Ullikaram dosa recipe. This is a very special breakfast of Andhra Pradesh. You can surprise your family members by making this tasty and very tempting Ullikaram dosa. So let's move on to the recipe. Take a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this, add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Let it splutter. Add about 1 tablespoon of chana dal. About 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add about 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal or dalwa. About 4 to 5 red chilies. If you like more spicy, you can increase the amount of red chilies. Into this, add some fresh curry leaves. We are making ullikaram. Ullikaram means onion chutney in Telugu. Into this, add about 2 large-sized onion roughly chopped. Mix all these ingredients till they are soft. Add about half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. This gives a very good flavor to our chutney. Some salt to taste. Saute it until it becomes translucent. Add a small piece of tamarind and about 3 large-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Mix all these ingredients. Close it with a lid and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes have become mushy. They have cooked properly. Now into this, I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery. You can even add the solid form. A small piece is enough. This is just to balance the taste of tomato and onion. Switch off the flame and allow this mixture to cool because we have to grind it into a very fine paste. After cooling, add this mixture into a mixer grinder and grind it into a very fine paste. If you want, you can add about 1/4 cup of water for grinding. Also add about half a teaspoon of peppercorn or pepper powder. So this is the fine paste or the ullikaram we get after grinding. Transfer this into a bowl and keep it aside for further purpose. Now take some dosa batter. This is a regular dosa batter which we prepare by adding 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of rice. Soak it for 5 to 6 hours and then grind it into a fine paste. Keep it for fermentation overnight and you get the dosa batter in this form. Now in this dosa batter, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of rava or semolina. Any variety you can take. About 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you don't want, you can skip it. This is done just for getting the perfect color for the dosa. 2 tablespoons of oil. Any refined oil you can take. I have used here refined sunflower oil. Now mix this batter thoroughly. Add some salt to taste. After adding the rava or semolina, the batter becomes little thick, so you can add some water to adjust the consistency. So this should be the consistency of your batter. It should be a flowy consistency. Now for making the dosa stuffing, we have to take about 2 large sized onions finely chopped. Into this add some coriander leaves finely chopped. I am adding here some pudina leaves or mint leaves. This gives a very good flavor to our dosa. Some salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients. And keep it aside. For making the dosa, take a pan or tawa, allow it to become hot, then sprinkle some water and wipe this water with a cotton cloth or tissue paper so that the heat is balanced on the tawa. Now you can take a ladle full of batter and just spread it into a round shape. Wait for 10 seconds. Flame should be medium. Now add about 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil. Here I am using some ghee. You can even use oil. Wait for a minute and apply the chutney uniformly on this dosa. About 2 tablespoons of chutney is sufficient for single dosa. As it is a very famous recipe, the street vendors, they charge about 100 and 120 rupees for a single dosa. So in the same cost we can make about 4 to 5 dosas at home. So it is very pocket friendly and even very tasty also. Now we have to add the toppings which we had prepared earlier. That is the mixture of chopped onion, coriander and mint leaves with some salt. You can even skip this if you don't want. When the lower side of the dosa is cooked, you can flip it in this way and your Ullikaram dosa is ready to be served. One more I am showing with a little twist in the toppings. Spread a dosa after 2 seconds. Add some 2 teaspoons of ghee. Wait for a minute. Spread the onion chutney evenly on the dosa. Add the toppings of onion and coriander mint leaves. And here, for a change, the kids' favorite, that is the cheese, grated cheese I am going to add, which gives a very unique flavor to our Ullikaram dosa. Kids, they will enjoy it. It will taste just like a pizza. Definitely try it out. Wait until this cheese melts. Once the cheese starts melting and the lower side is cooked properly, you can fold the dosa and your cheesy Ullikaram dosa is ready to be served. There is no need to take any chutney along with this. You can serve it hot with the same onion chutney. It is very tasty. Top up with some onions. And serve it hot. Hope you enjoyed this journey of Ullikaram dosa. You are definitely going to like this because it is very tasty and tempting. Kids along with all the family members will enjoy this recipe. You should definitely try it out. I have added cheese to dosa. You can also use grated paneer in the same way. If you don't want cheese or paneer, you can make these dosas with the normal onion chutney. It is also equally tasty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe it. Add in your valuable comments in the comment box and I am waiting for your feedback. Thanks for watching.